abeye adwuma no good na de tie nie ura mediama signing some ye window no na me de ma wo no eche dogly yes nti big stars na visa de atoto so no abusua wa ma Facebook or repa radio on Facebook wa echiri din wo ba wa be hu the big fish kwa mpuku ne da ho no Kotoko nya Danlad please ni nim bebre o nti ni nyina na yere bebrɛw mediama sane eche dogly Brennan Tiba be free ban or am fan chain quantum. Emmanuel Boaten, Dominic Frimpong, Usman Safiano, Nations no free. Okay. Abdul Rahman Yaya from Nations. Emmanuel Ano, any medium so more proper Nations. So Abdul Rahman Yaya, Nations FC, no more free a buyer. Emmanuel Ano Nations. Okay. Emmanuel Fobi, I'm a fan of free Dilla Gori. Georgia, and I'm confirmed free buyer. Isa Ibrahim Latvia no koya no so ba back mediama efa no yewo Abzaid Suleiman ono eye Sudanese goalkeeper na meka no nsam kire ono so mediama sane no Blessing kwabena dwamena niwe dubiase Julilu Osman niwe dubiase Emmanuel Anoche Sporting Club Accra ene yewo Ebenezer Adade Dreams FC way any mediama players of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13 players na mediama FI on the camp of Port City. Window no omosane kwabena Adumeda no a free agent. Omunya Francis Gentua ono so a free agent. Steven Dio, Hoho United winger no. Okay, Port City FI no. Gideon Weja maybe a twem wafa captain. So a captain on. Yeah, Gideon Weja. Kwanu a baller no ni mo ball. Yes. Tese wo Port City. Yeah, wo Ishak Suraj Lebanese Ali no free ono so dia back yawo Samuel Jima free agent Daniel Misa free agent Elliot Afote hat Lions no free Akoppo City and Daniel Ose Senior ono so Hoho United we any players
how many players
Post City nso nya 2 4 6 8 9 and a Post City FI Samates FI players and 9 pe won pe bebre sa Ebenezer Okran Golden Kate no free call ho Prince Afum was a All Stars Joshua Fuseni goalkeeper Golden Kate no some kofa no free here and I'm Shak Ajetu Sowa yes big signing also from Vision room was Samates 4 and no 5 here yeah Koswado All Blast kofana sign Muhammad Musa Salifu Tamale City and no free adjoining Swadro All Blast David Lati Dreams FC Dreams Chases and no free adjoining Swadro All Blast Prince Atta Nations Kevin Ampofo Nations FC the Nations matter place you know a house of cranya 2 Swadro Blast and 2 okay ya wo Samuel Osekofi in Swapon Fidelity no free call ho face search awete free agent or Remo Swadro All Blast player na Kotoko pen na bia
no Nations
na making you also Nations na omo agrepono no okay and ya wo Vincent Ba Junior Temafate we free adwane Swadro All Blast Michael Abrokwa Nations John Ahuma Okansi no Cheetah FC wadwane Swadro All Blast Godfrey Yati Cheetah wadwane All Blast Andy Kramwa Aruras wadwane Swadro All Blast that's has Aruras no Kodjon Kansa ana Kwansa okay Kodjo Kwansa Samates wadwane Swadro All Blast and Latif Blessing Cheetah FC on also wadwane All Blast into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and na Swadro All Blast esani ye Go Stars FMS ape ye wo Nicholas Ampewu Emina Shas and odwane wo mo Claw Shooting Bote free agent odwane Go Stars and the big one Kwame Poku Beye on that TV no so no Kwame so odwane baby any Go Stars the Go Stars FA miensa pepe uko aduana ye on Shaukan Mohammed free agent Samuel Tinedu of Chelsea odwane aduana you were both and Regan, Bechem, or Johnny Adriana, Stephen Amankona free agent, or Adriana, Abdul Latif Mohammed, Victory Club Warriors, or Johnny Adriana, Emmanuel Aban, Bechem, and also Adriana, Zakaria Fuseni, Techima Liberty Youth, Adriana Adriana, and a Bestmark Enim, and also Adriana as free agent. Okwa Ashanti Gold 04, almost why Juma, Rafael Kojo, Achono, or no Efri, Esa Academy Togo, Adriana Ash Gold, Yawa Ben Yamin, Nasiru Kabori, a 12 Filante Burkina, Waba Ashanti Gold 04, Yawa Kamal Suraj, free agent, Kwaku Musa, free agent, Fatau Seidu Future Stars wadwene Ash Gold yewo Serenu Hazaf ono so Sky FC no wadwene Ash Gold Sadiq Ibrahim Abubakar Sky Ishmael Aqua eno so Sky William Ado Al Hassan Penny Thomas Kwabana Osei Isa Minta and Justice Blay Nkuku ono so adwene Ashanti Gold 80 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
Yes.
Almost why 13. Good.
From
okay.
All Blacks. Is it Emmanuel or Samuel Fosu Boatin? All Blacks want me for that.
Okay. Also,
I'm good. On the player,
good. Okay. But I say, young Lions, Enya Francis Odum, Ho United, and Freedom Draine, Pandu out of Lions. You were Abdul Jalilu, free agent. Edmond Recon, Adrian Lions. William Udro, Pius Balfour, Senna Ati, Mustafa Yakubu. And a Steven Afwakwa Faith Football Academy on also adjoining Lions. The Lions near 2, 4, 6, and 8. The Lions SNE 8. Become Chelsea Efa Jama Haruna. Dear Wisi Taylor. Hey, wow. Okay. On also Become Chelsea. On no money by Juma season yimu. Ewa Dramani. Yes, on also Echo Become Chelsea. Yewo Treme Shadrach. On also adjoining Chelsea. Fuseni Zakaria. Zoka Masaudu. And Augustine Boache, Omunano.
Hussein Zakaria from Kotoko.
Then
Zakaria Hussein.
Onwa. Okay. And yeah, on also Johnny Bricum Chess in T. Augustine Boache and so Kahon to Monso F7 players. Vision F2 pet. Kojo Boama, Hoho United, and a Farouk Muhammad, a year Nations, and a Ufria, and also Adrian Kama. Miwe Carrera, we pa. I'm the big ones, and Kotoko the Anomono, and he has the amount. Karela Enya Wisdom Jonas Mayina RT no Fidwane or Frank Akum in Swapon Fidelity or Granny Karela Idi Mafas Edmond and also 11 Wonders no Granny Karela Yawa Collins Intifo Okwa United Isa Abdul Basit Golden Warriors Muhammad Al Hassan Mankuile and also Granny Karela Ebenezer Amega Hoho United Granny Karela and a Prince Opoku Ajima free agent. Ono so abehia mi rana na Kotoko so Prince Opekwa ana ono nyesa no nso je. Okay. Ono so the Prince Opekwa Ajima good. Intikawela so enya 4689 and omonso FI. Now yenye to Kotoko and House of Folk na yemfa no mra emefa de aka no enso so emfa emamo. Uram ewo House of Folk a de tie enese Abdulaziz Swedro or Blast. Ebenezer Amo free agent has in a way wafaro Rosin Cheme Park Academy akrano one has be adwuma season mu Manuel Osejan ewo Park Academy House of Folk Caleb Cranton Victory Club Warriors House of Folk Alex Banso Namuru FC akrano Kamarata Bano yes on also joining House of Folk Prince Amevo free agent Vincent Anani free agent Mamudu Kadel Kamoma Avorian on also joining House of Folk. Dominic Insobila, yes, on also free agent joining House of Folk. And John Entry Dreams FC on also has a capture no. The House of Folk in your 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Good. Young call in the camp of Asante Kotoko. Tivisa mami video no na memfanya Kotoko diano. Ye studios ye ena Kotoko. Ese Omadan Abdul Wadi Murad. Abdul Wadi Murak goalkeeper na mko fan free Morocco ba no nti Kotoko ena edana dino na no ese akwanechi go penalty bi na nya asem ketua nti Kotoko ena adana di se o ma capture no nti yenyina video no so na memfa Kotoko signings no ema Danlad Ibrahim free agent Kotoko waba Emmanuel Mama and also 3 years no free samates edwane Kotoko Kofi Marius Angie Bini. Yes, Kofi Bini. And also center back Avorian. Kotoko so many no wie. Isaac, okay, where Isaac Opoku Ajimai. And also free agent Kotoko. And many no air boom season emu. Abdul Kader Tanada. And also Burkina Faso Kotoko. Enyano we midfielder. Solomon Inso Asa. Only a midfielder Cameroon. AS Fortuna di Mfo a hono free. And also back Kotoko. After Wadi Murad ya ni video that's we and also a FC Basania and Ofria Adwane Kotoko free agent 3 years na Kotoko edema goalkeeper Wadi Murad good yewo Umar Ali woye defensive midfielder Partizan Albania enu free a wono nso aba Emmanuel Sanja Vision akra no 3 years Kotoko ede adanadi yewo Aristotle Tamozi oye center back Dia Congo no free a Adwane Kotoko Richard Bodu Agadas free agent and yewo Eric Beta Ivorian winger no ono nso ewuram ewo Kotoko nti just a while and amaka say Kotoko edi video no edi atoso mama yenwie transfers no na yewia na chese nti visa ye ma ya chibiem me wia de aka na nyina be ye Georgia free ene other ones na eba no mama fa Kotoko die enso so mama leak video of Kotoko Nikita we no eye THB ede be hye no ena ninam tenten video no so a ena yato ede a no or say this is legacy Asante Kotoko nti we home ana say den hin okay Kotoko jesi a mo baba yara mo be hye no ena da so no white bi tutu ne mfrum ne mfi ne wode ba ne sere ho no ena fom ne nyina ye kokko pokopa ne bom mena o sponsor an kase no e dan mu yes nti Kotoko won jesi a wo be hye we enyanya official na mu maliki ena yanso ahuri ni aso ne soro ena yede adawo nti danger kwaba
ofa me joso
boko de
oh ejana daru man kakra ukukura yimu
yes
de ko no de aba de ko ni aba
sure
bende
clubs na ye djuma
oh yes season we de omo ni abre na kire se ombe so me bibi interestingly no Go Stars and Shada anye busy or
market. Sounds a nipe.
Kakre bi
team no hoda
because so much maintain the core of the team.
More fire.
Into the kakre bi be shemu a na just say wo kwa no. And say utie kwasi edu a clearly he wants to win the league again.
Oba be kono yenye ne se fa chame. Memfa Danlad nsoso. Na ye wia na e de Georgia free no aba abewie. Danlad the second coming yenti nsemo a wakade a kire Kotoko.
Very great feeling because always when you are at Asante Kotoko, you are at home. So I'm feeling so great. I came here as a very young boy, and even when I was leaving, I was still young. So I was having that kind of dream that definitely I'm going to be back and then continue the good works for this club. Maturity because I went outside the country and the kind of experiences that I just got over there. And then even within Asante Kotoko, when I was here, I had my challenges and let's say the good moments as well. So blend of all these two, definitely there's going to be a big or a lot of changes personally and also in terms of playing. So there will be big changes or let's say slight changes in me. So it shouldn't be a surprise to a lot of people because we are growing and then we are getting matured in the game and also in terms of personality. Being a champion is easy, but how to maintain it. So now how to maintain my performance and everything is up to me. It's all about hard work. Since I'm here, I'm ready for every challenge.
Ye nyini nti mo be hu nsesan kakra e o mabra bom me performance ne de o so me di bi e ka ho a lot and a Danlad Ibrahim o san ba back to Kotoko wode atudwa yento aso danger
nti ofa yes a good say yes Danlad ye mu bidum de oba Kotoko ye hu no Danlad ni presence in Kotoko and also the issues back room ha eventually Kotoko nyane so mfaso and oko World Cup Kotoko nyane so mfaso Kotoko san ton no nyamfaso and wasa akwa aba o san ba be sum enti Danlad de Kotoko didi ne ho and ne gidi say waba no obasan abema Kotoko de onim de obetimi aye okwa se free agent on oh okay but at least Kotoko nyane ho mfaso kakra fine because of the World Cup enti now over Kotoko goalkeeping department ho Aziz Dari ewo ho last season when the opportunity did that demo kakra then Danlad aba then this Molokan goalkeeper no so Wadi and so aba now e kire say competition ebe ba ho pa into one area measure the goalkeepers trainers no any technical team no who they will choose to be the number one going into the season. One area I want to take a
now. Yeah, na kamenim say no be twema adwene so keepers dey nka at least ye wakasefo mienu bi na ba ko da na nka na big fish me nsasa no emfa how makotoko
and say e dey how ba the only thing is say how no competitions in the north enti no e ba ne sa no a ye wo club ne how because wunya so many matches ma wo mo a wo be chamanka obi atimi anya e bia dabie
and also crowd say obey me no sabi but keeper so sometimes o se san bebre na ho nsem no ya bibia
normally no you see in times san
winning team
goalkeeper but say Kotoko e wo into be a 2-3 competitions wait ma assign o say okay we be da FA Cup we be da league no be Africa we be da but Kotoko FA Cup ni league ni pay and Danlad minimum how much Kotoko will be paying him but over ne pedigree ne caliber na you will definitely be taking home some good money. And this when you a foreign goalkeeper, and normally no foreigners never no music no eta wo soro. And imagine Kotoko is paying so much for somebody to sit at the bench. A whole no na me hwe no more. A whole na me hwe no more. I don't fancy it because me feel say as this diary cry no and could do opportunity or do break as a man more opportunities. No no shows here you know. It looks to me like and here now this I drop it down the pecking order because obvious say number one slot no ebeko ediama Wadi another Danlad Wadi no ye nyina ye share dem hunu anim no Danlad de obi anim no enti we can say Danlad the position but for Kotoko to go and bring a foreign goalkeeper definitely he will contest for the number one slot no enti offer honum de ye season no is just around the corner enti ye behwe de on betima ye but the players on the ba about 6 or 7 foreign players Kotoko are spending good money Kotoko form the ba definitely a lot of them will have to be starters and also be competing for positions any almost ye local boys almost so honum so Kotoko create competition and say wutie board chairman he wants to sort of demand more from the players you know say say we say Kotoko na ubo and say uma o best give all your best that you can give intimidate say season you know moving forward you know of Kotoko players you know you be competition and competition at the training grounds now are reflecting on the field of play which possibly or hopefully will lead into results and say inti me say Kotoko be very competitive in the coming season. Yes, na make Gold Stars offer Gold Stars I'm on from here coming season Gold Stars be harding because it's a team that has maintained the core and added quality. On any day say Kwan Poku former he's as good as any striker you want to have in your team. Any omo amaka wo ho. Offer watch out for Mediama and visa minim say bi as a Mediama omo in Century Cup yombo say odi bia with the videos in bia ma so Mediama clearly are not just preparing for the league but rather preparing also for Africa. And Mediama so are very busy in the market at the same time you know we hear say na omo hye omo team no a team say they want to compete locally and internationally
though na your friendly but o call Ivory Coast no wa share obi a okosi Ivory Coast and Champions League o share no yes and now need the Okobo Confederation board draw yes for no board draw no or share ASEC
and that is how you prepare your team on the boys no say competitive way you know at least enya the feel of playing against an African opponent enti omo be komo a enya ade fufuro de mo biem and omo ba enzo so no omo any opportunity of competing with Premier League clubs
to where they
where Century so omo any opportunity to compete with Premier League clubs which and also so good for omo Mediama no because omo no omo ball low profile and omo the climb ya no be ASEC no who say work away then what ba no what be share competitors season no be komu now no be sia kan enti for me Mediama me who say omo ready and omo ready for not for only for the league but also for Africa and me the way omo akwaba omo team no omo keep the coach omo keep a lot of the players kakra bi fi mu koye the omo de be share mu so no utimi say woka local side in their quality there the obeka no me feel say the omo nya na ebia no of a house of folk As I had DB, and I'm excited about it. So okay, previous seasons now, has pre-season no about banana in FC, mobile phone people, now attempt the visa, lower divisions now no one no much share warm. You start the season now, you say. And this one here, lower ones now, no the account of your creative competition, and on mobile. Yes, Omenya and Comaji Omo Cap. But no crown so in itself, no, SIA. And Omenya an opportunity to also play a last match. One of the biggest fixture on any day. A yellow card scene. And he has so Omo bomb Westie. Mijili say Nibosa Kepa. When ya all the opportunity to assess squad now one and obey how obey utilize Omo. Omo blended young with experience. At least so we John Entry. Our squad John Entry is 33, right? Yeah, we are 33 or 33. And age in your back be a calling, but the experience is there. And the Yana say, Coach, you bet me and Crana Juan Diamano. And with me experience, you know, bet me a connecting to go into the season of is advertising to be a very good one. It's going to be very interesting, and I think say Obi our pay local game Nibiano on you ready for a very beautiful season. And maybe they say the curtain raiser will be Friday, a year saying Democracy Cup, no. Okay. And I think say Ebema is something to talk about. Over say George then but me manu see over me pacho. Mon kanche National Sports Authority for no. Say
national na Kumasi dey na
Kumasi fui. Mon kanche o mo say. Sa accreditation radio 1 TV 1 etwa mo munya isa dey no.
No mumie musa no bia fa 10 temra no.
Nyet 10 but one thing. One thing. One thing.
Say na
ma ba be ka kire say ye promote too much man conform here. What's the one? Enti ye fi ai you so won kwa
me ba o me
comment kwa won kwa betima
me musa di me ba musa di bi ya na te se we yi nya organizers na no mo ba adwene ho so mo anka so mfo panyo
of a wo press statement no me
bisa so me nya nwure mo mpede mo say we no organizers no ene no mo dwene ho say yenya no station bia wa no mo so de kasa o dey
me almost statement na me dey kan I don't know whether I'm not organizers
station bia say one
me dey be send and yes bia station bia one almost say you can say we dey measure there
yeah Democracy Cup na okay
Democracy Cup ya
Friday day 28
me dey ma visa sisia me dey ma visa sisia visa mpacho on saka na fama wofa na wofa nkan
ozo nkomonya de
almost say radio 1 TV 1 I'm say TV 1 and I say 2 I mean I'm sure
okay o dey
any TV 2 radio 1 photography 1 online 1 newspaper 1 a trading or a blogger he works with some boys
to no benya say
enti a trading benya 1 ne boys ni nya bi and I say to say any of the boys in kwa na te so on pakro no ko ya fi high ya ti asisi yi o na we commentary enti say head of commentary you say kwa obi obe summarize am okra no se bi nso tra mo kra obi obesu ma kwa wonya bio yeah, you know, almost see any then you match and can was my body am ana mbacho abroche nyina omo ye no one
okay e hona omo e bie mo man ko for better tra hona na ya na me worry
but e hono mo no
have been that
designated for the media mutimi ma support it be go
sometimes
e wa bra e is designated for the media wo da na bra say ye mo hu da wu wi a say one ni papa ko pe na info ye pabra
yan ko bra wo de ba hwe
that me say mo kan che because o ma hwe ya we ke better na tia o mo me de me for say
o mutio
enti mo kan che o mo and me Jeff apostle Jeff me be point ya me friend akache onyo fe ne bo nu to bo fa wo ko to ni
o hwe
onyo fe ne
wati ase okay
asani sen
akome ya tiesi o
ego made
kasa le de mente
debi abu ya de ko sa mo ni
danger abotre bibia be kama mabufu yebeko mabufu matekasa akomia Brian